Hoover Dam, one of the Bureau of Reclamation's world-famous multi-purpose structures.
Working in the ground of
By 1937, with 4 generators online, Hoover Dam was classified as the largest power plant in the world. Now, if you folks...
The Colorado River drains into the Gulf of California. At the beginning of the 20th century, the river overflowed and flooded, destroying crops. Then the summer would cause drought. The government was asked to do something about it after disastrous floods of 1905 and 1909. In 1928, the US created the Boulder Canyon Project. The dam was completed in 1935 and originally called Boulder Dam. Not only did it control the floods, but it also generated electricity. In 1947, it was renamed Hoover Dam after the president who was in office at the time.
Don't do it, Christine, don't do it!
The river piled up behind the dam and created a new body of water, which is called Lake Mead.
And here we are at the Hoover Dam, halfway between Arizona and Nevada.
We are now crossing the state line.
State of Arizona. Grand Canyon State welcome you.
Don't forget to change your watches.